As technology continues to rapidly evolve, people are learning in new ways, forgoing printed manuals and PDFs, turning to more engaging resources online. And as long-term employees move towards retirement, it's vital to capture their expertise, their tricks of the trade, and know-how, transferring their invaluable skills to the next generations. This is DeepHow, the first AI solution for learning and training skilled trades. While experts perform their individual tasks and processes, DeepHow captures their workflows via a mobile device. Using the latest AI technology, this captured data is extracted and ingested, turning complex workflows into easy-to-follow, step-by-step guidelines. New employees can access critical training information anytime, anywhere from the DeepHow online portal, learning intricate tasks at their own pace without disrupting other workers or interrupting plant operations. Thanks to DeepHow, we're accelerating learning, increasing productivity, and empowering individuals and teams with everything they need for success.